Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Kayleen String coming at you from my deck, and today is the day I'm going to be putting my second kitchen experiment outside. So this is the planter that I bought at Walmart, and then this one just happens to be just a cheap bucket I poked some holes in, and I have two markers. I decided to put these in two separate containers, that way each one can have its own. And these are the two gingers I've been storing in this jar. I bought this jar at a thrift store, but it's not a canning jar because I can't find a lid to fit it. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is I filled these both full of my compost mix from my bucket down there. So now I'm just this is all organic stuff, kitchen scrap. You can see the onion stuff, bits of eggshell. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of the water off around the edge. Might actually now I'm gonna take these ginger pieces out of the jar, and then I'll put them in their little divots I made. So there they are, where the root would grow out of. I put them down, and then the cut side is up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just cover them, and then I'll just put more of my compost in, and I'll add a little bit water. Now I put more on. I'm just going to empty that water. Putting my little tags in. And there we go. So I will move these over there. I like this. This has a handle. This will fit right here. Yep, there we go. So there are my gingers. So now everything is planted, and that is my Belly Acres secret seed. I got a leaf coming up, so. And this is a mystery seed from Ginger Ninja. So that's why there's nothing on those tags yet, but I have them in there so that when I do figure out what they are, I can label them. So that is it. Now we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Oh, and here's my first kitchen experiment. I'm getting some green on this onion. I might add a little bit of compost to this just to protect this area around the little sprouts. There we go. Now just the little tops, those little sprouts coming out of that onion are visible. You can see the green against the color of that piece of eggshell that's in there. And this is actually a piece of mussel shell that I've had in there for a while. That's from my older compost, so there we go. And that is an update on that kitchen experiment. So it looks like I'm actually going to have some onion. That's Vidalia onion. So anyway, ginger is done. So I watched a video yesterday on 2 different methods of starting a ginger from a piece from a grocery store, in this case farmer's market. And a person said actually putting it in soil is the best way to get it going, but if you have to wait, then put it in water for a few days. And that's what I did. So anyway, thanks for watching, and catch you on the flip side.